Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll down and tap on biometrics and security. Here we have to find other security settings, so let's tap on it, and as you can see in the credential storage section we've got clear credentials option, so simply tap on it, and if you are ready to remove all the content, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter to confirm. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.